Okay, the first thing you want to do for this problem is to find your variables, and we have x is regular and y is for diet. And after that you want to find your constraints, and these are the constraints we got. X plus y is less than or equal to 5,000 because the soft drink bottling company has to make at least 5,000 cartons per day. And our next one is x plus 1.20y is less than or equal to 5,400 because it costs $1 to make a carton of regular and $1.20 to make a carton of diet. X is greater than or equal to 600 because you have to make at least 600 cartons of regular, and x is greater than or equal to 1,000 because you have to make at least 1,000 cartons of diet per day.
Next we're going to find our objective function, and that is what this is, and we have 10 cents for regular for profit and 11 cents for a diet profit. And next we're going to graph our constraints so we can figure out the problem. And for this equation we have the red line and our x, and we did x and y intercepts at 5,000 for both of them. And then we have to figure out which side it will be shaded on since it's an inequality, and we plugged in 0, 0 because that's the easiest, and that would fit it to be true, so we're going to make the arrows go down. And then for this one is the green one, and we graphed x and y intercepts again, so it's there. And then we're going to plug in 0, 0, and that also fits the equation to be true, so we're going to make the arrows go down as well. And then next we graphed this one, and that's the brown one. So we plugged in 0, and that was not true, so the arrows will be going this way. And then for the blue line, which is this, the arrows will be going up because 0 does not make that true. So. And then according to which all the arrows are pointing to, this will be shaded in. Found C because our graph showed it, obviously it was known. And then we have to solve for B and D. So we took the red line and the green line equation. But first we had to figure out what to solve for. So we took, and since x is by itself in this equation, we took the y and subtracted it over. You get x equals 5,000 minus y. And then we plug this in that equation. So it gives you 5,000 y, or 5,000 minus y, plus 1.2 y equals 5,400. And we subtract the 5,000. I am moving and then divide it, which gives you y equals 2,000. So we plug in 2,000 in for y in this equation, and then you get x plus 2,000 equals 5,000, and you subtract 2,000 and you get x equals 3,000. Okay, so now we need to find D. So D is the green line and the brown line. And so that's x equals 6,000 or 600, and x plus 1.2 y equals 5,400. And then you plug in x right here, so that gives you 600 plus 1.2 y equals 5,400. And then you subtract the 6,000 or 600. You get 0.12 or 1.2 equals 4,800, and then divide by 1.2, and that gives you
Somebody amending in here anyways.
4,000 as your y. So D is, where is it? It's 600, 4,000. So then we plug all our points into the objective function, which gives us our answers. And in this specific scenario, it asks how many cartons of each type of drink should be produced as the profit is 10 cents per regular and 11 cents per diet. And so it's asking for the maximum profit, which is 520. So the biggest point would be 3,000 cartons of regular and 2,000 cartons of diet. Which gives us our answer of $520. Okay.
And just walk back.
I'll just be like,
Oh, is this thing on?
Yeah.
Oh! I didn't think it was actually going to be on.
And you plug in 2,000 into this equation, so you get x plus 2,000 equals 5,000, which gives you 3,000.
Okay, stop. Hold on.